All right, this is a quick video on how to create a list of your students with ID numbers that will be error-free. First, you're going to go to your eSchool. You're going to click on your athletic period. You're going to make sure it's on multiple sections and not just one. You highlight here, all the way across, pull it all the way down. Double click, copy this. You're going to go to a Google Sheet, create a new one. Title it whatever you need to title it. All right, right here I double click. We're going to paste special. We want the values only. We're going to paste that in there. You're going to get every student's name. You're going to get their ID number. You're going to get their grade. And there's going to be some stuff that you can delete. If you don't want this column, you can delete it. You don't want these columns, you can delete those as well. You probably want to add a couple things above this. Quick fix. So this is name, ID numbers, grade, gender. And then once you get this rolling, what you need to do is you're going to create another section, and you're going to type in sport or whatever you want to title it right there. You're going to go to data. You're going to go to data validation. You're going to select list number of items. And this is where you're going to start listing things that kids could be in. So 8th A football, you separate them by a comma. 8th B football. I would suggest doing everything for the whole year. 7th A football. 7th B football, and etc. So you'd have 8th basketball, 7th basketball, etc. So for every team, you'd need to do this. For track, cross country, all of them. And then you're going to save this. And now you're going to just copy this cell. You're going to pull it down and probably over one as well, but we'll talk about that here in a second. To this. And now what you have is you have a drop-down menu. Probably one of the important things to do in this one that I forgot to tell you, and you can always go back and add it, is a not active. So we know if they're not participating in any sports right now. So when I go to Brendan Abbott, if he's on my 8th grade football team, he's on the A team. Awesome, there he is with his ID number. If he's on, another kid that's on the 7th grade basketball team, or I guess that wouldn't be happening at the same time, but 7th grade football team, A team, and so on and so forth. And then when I should have copied this and pulled this down as well, because this one also has a not active. So if a kid is not active, you click not active next to his name. So we know the name of the kid, the ID number, the grade, the gender, and then what team they're active on, so we can have their ticket information.